Ay, naka-keyboard ka?
Hindi po.
Yan. Mag-ulit ka ulit.
Ay, gago. Kailangan malayo ako, sorry.
Ah. Okay na?
Go.
Yan.
Pwede rin nata ako eh.
Say hello to mine.
Tapos,
Nakita ko pa.
hindi ba siya yung atakihin mo?
Baliktad. Putang ina kasi baliktad yung control eh. Gago eh. Gago?
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Di ba siya yung dapat doon ka sa Space Monkey? Doon mo siya papunta.
Ibang
Tama ba? Oo,
Kasi
tama.
hindi control ng maayos.
Okay.
Say hello to mine.
Go. Yan. Ba?
Ang ina tinamaan ako. Sorry.
No.
Ay, may pwede ka bang itulong?
Dapat ako yung sasakay, babe. Para pag hinabol ka nung rocket,
Ah,
ma-delete ka lang ulit. Magpapalate ka lang ulit.
sige. Hindi, ikaw yung nahabol eh.
Tang inang yan. Ang hirap. Pangit naman
Ay,
yung
bako.
na automatic. Papakamatay ako.
To mine.
Yan. Sige.
Wala.
Ay, may star? Star ba ako kukunin? Dapat dun.
Sakay! Wait, sakay! Ayun, nakalit ka.
Ah, ang hirap i-control. Fuck.
Sige, ako na dito sa next.
Sige, baby, go na. Mas maano ka mag-control.
Ina mo! Bakit ba?
Oh!
Ay, gano'n, insta-kill pa rin kahit malaki.
Oo.
Walang kwenta. Ang ina, bobo naman nun. Bawal pa rin iba
May
tong
skill
puta.
ba?
Say hello
Napaka,
to mine.
napaka naman nun.
Wala kang ibang ano. Kung di bumilis tumakbo eh.
Ang ina, tinamaan ko. Pwede ka ba tumakbo dito sa wall na to? May parang wall na yellow eh. Ito.
Saan? Ito?
Bawal.
Wala, bawal.
Oh, parehas natin na ano.
Oo nga, ito.
Tinitingnan ko baka may button eh. Pwede tama ka na doon. Ano to, i-outrun lang talaga.
Hindi, may ano siya eh, HP eh.
Say hello to mine.
Okay.
Nasundan ako talaga ng rocket kahit magano ako eh.
Pwede. Ito.
Kaya nga nagaganyan na ako.
Ito siya.
Ayan. Putang ina. Ano? Ambag po. Wala ako. Kakaano ko lang.
Paikot ka doon sa map.
Ayan.
Not so cocky.
No more games. Use the removal limiters. We're at threat level alpha.
Baboon! Stop it! Don't you remember me? It's me!
Rose is my best friend, and you're trying to make her cry.
Oh!
She's abandoned you.
Oh, gago. Babe, survive please. Sorry.
I will protect Rose.
Ang bobo ko. Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry.
I will
Bakit?
crush
Oh
you.
my god.
Ikaw lang yung nag-enjoy ako dito sa...
It's getting rather warm up here, Cody! Yeah, great, continue, go!
Making fucking
Run
sense.
this game.
Ang ina.
cardio. Ah, shit.
I won't let you make Rose cry.
Pak. Wait. Emboy na ako.
I won't lose to the dark side.
Pwede ba?
Wait, bakit pa gano'n ka na? Sige, play safe
Dodge.
na. Okay, go.
Go. Paano siya babawasan?
Oh, God.
Pak.
Live.
Live.
Sige, rotate yung putang ina. Oh my God. Wait lang.
I won't lose to the dark side.
Bakit parang hindi na lang ako magpalaki dito, putang ina? Oh my... Sorry.
Pak.
Ah, shit. Ang ina kasi. Napapanas ako dito.
Computer, remove all limiters. We're at threat level Alpha. My puppet has abandoned you.
You ready?
I won't
Go.
lose to the dark side.
Ayan.
Hey, May! What's going on?
Get ready! I'm going after him!
Hey! I found something! I think we can use it!
Don't touch anything he shouldn't!
Yeah, just trust me! Keep him in sight!
Evil beings cannot pilot my ship. It won't listen to you.
I lost track of him! Get closer!
Ay.
Kailangan mo siyang habulin din.
Hey! Did you try this thing
Wait, kung saan nakaharap yung baril, doon ka pumunta.
driving skills not good enough for you?
Saan nakaharap ng baril?
Ah. Pwede mo ba i-rotate yung camera mo?
Wala eh. Ano lang eh. Right. Ano lang.
Ah, sige, go. Punta mo lang yun kasi nakatutok yung baril.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see him on the
Okay.
radar then. I'll find him!
I will protect Rome.
Oh shit.
Ayun.
Ikaw pala yan. Wala ko.
Ayun siya.
Oh, kita ko na. Nice.
Direct hit! Got a barrier of some sort. A couple more shots should do it.
Stop it. I'm Rose's only friend. She needs me.
Hindi ko na makita yung baril. Saan nakatutok. Ayan.
I will not fail.
Okay, tignan mo na lang kaya yung GPS. Ito,
Ano? Sino ba yung triangle?
Siya yung triangle. Yung baril yung crosser.
Okay.
Ayun. Putang. Ano siya?
Ayan.
Close, but not quite.
Ah, how can I lose?
Ay! Huwag ko na sabihin N-word.
Hindi siya nagalaw. Oh. Nice.
You didn't hit him, Cody!
Grabe nang magreklamo si May. Alam mo.
Okay. Ayan. Oh wait. Ayan.
Moon Baboon, how do we get back to Rose?
I can't let you harm her. I'm her best friend.
Hello, she hasn't played with you for years, okay? You've been monitoring her. Come on, just pay attention.
Maybe we can help you become friends again.
You think so?
Yes, I can ask Rose to play with you again. But you have to help us get back to her.
Okay. You have to promise you won't make her cry.
Yeah, we promise.
Okay. Tell Rose that whatever happens, I'll always be her best friend.
Oh, she's over there.
Rose!
Sweetie!
Darling, this might look strange, but it's us.
It's Mom and Dad. Rose!
We need your help.
Look, yeah, it's us.
Wala, parang di sila nakikita.
She can't see us.
Sweetheart, we need to talk. We need your tears to break the spell. Darling!
Bakit
She can't
ganun?
even feel us. Oh, what are we gonna do?
Butas ang...
Ay, hindi siya invisible sila.
Did you just see that? Huh? We have the power to affect stuff around her to get her attention.
Yes, that's perfect.
Right.
Let's destroy something Rose loves to make her cry.
What?
The
Eh.
elephant. Rose loves her elephant. It's her best friend. We destroy the elephant. We make Rose cry.
Oh my God, May. That is a great idea. You cry a river.
Yes!
Boom. All right. Now we just gotta get through her toys.
Well, this would have been a lot easier if you'd tidied her room.
Yeah, well, at least I didn't buy her a crazy space monkey that nearly got us killed.
Ano, babe?
Face.
Yes.
Oh, my nose is itching.
Yeah, that's the dust.
We must remember to clean under her bed.
Yeah, noted.
Babe, medyo inantok ako. Sorry. Oh!
She has so many
Tulog ka?
toys.
At mga-
Apo. Sorry.
Okay, magluluto ka pa din naman eh.
Apo.
Robert, quit ka na.
Apo. Thank you.
Thank you din bibigay.
Quit.